Okay guys, if you didn't see part 1, I just managed to do a wheelie, but I just fell off my bike.
Oh, that happens.
Okay, you know what?
You need some proper fire in case your bike sets on fire.
You know what? I don't think this is the right bike for me.
Want to get another one?
Yeah.
I'll transfer you the money.
Hang on, what's this? The new bike just came out.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Let's
Go.
Let's go get it.
Why's your bike so fast? You know what? Okay, whatever. Mine's too fast. I'm gonna crash! Ooh. Ow. I'll race into auto repair bit. Haha, made it. Okay. They're just gonna add the finishing touches. I don't know what happened to your bike. Whoa, guys. Okay, let's try this thing out. Also, guys, don't worry, I'm okay. It's fake fire. Whoa, actually, it might be real. Whoa. Jesus, this thing's fast. Okay, let's just can you turn down the speed a little bit, please? Okay. Oh wait, this thing's better. Thanks. Woo.
This is why you need fire gear. It's real fire.
Oh, it's getting a bit late. I might just head back to the house now, you know. Whoa. Actually, I'm going to try wheelie one last time. Oh my god, guys, I'm doing a wheelie. I'm doing a wheelie. I'm doing a wheelie.
Barely steer doing a wheelie.
What do you mean? I can steer doing a wheelie. Hey, where am I going? Okay, whatever, but I'm still steering. Ah! Wow. Whoa, what the? Guy, did you just see that? I just did a jump while in a wheelie. Oh my god. Where are you? I have to talk to you. I'm at the abandoned house. I'll meet you at my eagle view. Boo. Oh, I think my engine's beginning to need a break after that wild ride. Anyway, I need a break too. Oh, you're already home, I see. Just got to park my bike up.
You have to pay extra money for underglow effects.
Yeah, that's kind of boring. Come on, just go up and knock that.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna close these. Huh?
I can earn like 10 billion from racing.
Maybe we should join some races. I still have this burger. Here.
No, it's fine.
Oh, I'll have it then.
Yeah.
Go in the fridge. There's some good stuff. Just gonna. Hey, there's something on the breaking news. I just turned off my TV. Come on, sit down. There's breaking news on.
Raccoon.
No, not the raccoon. Where is it?
Do you not want some cola?
Shh. Let's see. Attention, Brookhaven. There are 2 new racers. Or at least there's an old racer who's down a new racer. These 2 are sat right here watching TV, seeing themselves live on TV. And that is the news for today. Bye. Did you just see that? Oh, and now the TV just turned off. Hello.
What? Oh my gosh.
Awesome!
Yes.
Woo! You left the fridge open. I'm gonna get a drink of water.
Do you want some Coke?
I think we should be a bit healthy and also I don't want to drink that stuff.
I need to go for my ride at night.
Hey! Oh, guys, I'm tired. Oh wow, it's dark out. Is that the best idea? Okay. just gonna chill down here for a bit, guys. You don't think this was a dream, right? Just guys, imagine if this was all a dream. I feel like it could be. I wonder what my friend's doing, you know? Bang! Guys, did you hear that? I don't see anything. Should I lock the door? Hello? Oh, it must just be nothing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's not what it's meant to look like. That's not what it's meant to look like. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Guys, I regret this. I don't want to be a racer. I don't want to be a racer. Oh my god, guys. What happens if I crash? Guys, what happened?
Hey,
Kid, aren't you in Africa?
it was just a dream.
What was?
It's like you thought it was in African Antarctica.
Wait, where's the racer? Where's my friend? Kid, you wanna know what I'm on about? Where's my friend? Is he alive? Oh, yeah, I crashed.
Are they outside?
Wait, if you're here, wait, that's my normal car. Where's the motorbike?
You had a motorbike.
Wait, was that all a dream?
I think it was.
Then why am I zoomed in so far? I'm sure it's nothing. Ah! Did I walk to the hairdresser? Kids, stop dancing. Oh my god, guys, I think I walked to the hairdresser. Oh no. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and subscribe.